ceremony. Ryan, kamay na magabat.
Hey, come on. We out of here. Hey, so next week, you got games next week, right?
Yeah.
For the Young Lights went out?
Yeah, hold on.
You text me.
Yeah, hold on. I got I'm short of $5.
Oh, yeah. Miss.
Alright, you're fat, dude.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. All right.
Lapit ng konti. Masyado kayong malayo eh. Congratulations guys, second place in the championship.
Runner up yan.
For the runner-ups. Guys, can you please hold the ball please? Hold the ball, don't dribble it. Don't dribble it yet. Guys, can you go to the side please? We're gonna go on awarding. We have to finish this. Guys, sit down. Okay, as I call your name, go to the center, okay? Number 19, Edwin Perelia. Number 19, Edwin Perelia. Get your trophy over there. Number 97, Dante Balili. Dante. Uy, Dante, tawag ka. Get your trophy. Dante Balili, sabi ko. 97. Number 3, Toto Cabello. Number 3, Toto Caballo. Number 30, Rod Rodriguez. Number 14, Ariel Taguinod. Number 2, Dante Sarbadan. Number 2, Dante Sarbadan. Number 6, Joel Ramirez. Number 50, Rino Del Rosario. Rino. Number 35, Mario Serrano. Congratulations, guys. Now for the champions. WG. Number 19, John Benuya. Please come forward, please. John Benuya. Edmond Benuya. Wala. Number 15, Arnel Yabut. Arnel. Number 20, Robert Resede. The coach, the financer. Number 17, Noel Pagyao. Number 13, Lawrence Pantolo. Number 18, Tony Cheng. Number 21, Alvin Vinuya. Number 24, DJ Cronin. Number 22, Billy Resede. Congratulations, guys. Henry, can you give this out, please? I'm gonna mention the name. Hold on to it. Okay, that's for the season's MVP. Season's MVP is very obvious, no other than Mr. Alvin Vinuya. Season's MVP. Most violent person. And the finals MVP, no choice.
No choice.
No choice, obvious no abuse. Finals MVPs, Alvin again, Vinuya. Pinakiyaw muna. Ha? Wala na. So, take a picture, guys. Take a picture.